Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. We're going to explore a very important topic, famine. On this first slide, you'll see the word famine and a brief overview. We'll discuss what famine is, what causes it, and how both natural and human activities contribute to this serious issue. Over the next few slides, we'll dive deeper into these factors and understand how they impact society. So let's get started. Welcome to the second slide. Today, I will introduce you to our school, Karmavir Borav Patil Vidyalay, located in Redny. This slide focuses on our class, which is Standard 7, Division A. We're here in the subject of science, a fascinating branch of knowledge that helps us understand how the world around us works. Our subject teacher is Sue Bies AG, who guides us through these scientific concepts. This slide sets the stage for our learning journey, connecting our school environment with the exciting topics we'll explore in science. When we talk about the causes of famine, there are a variety of natural and man-made factors to consider. Natural causes include events like drought, which is actually the main cause of famine. Drought leads to a severe shortage of water, making it impossible for crops to grow. Heavy rains and floods can also be devastating, washing away crops or damaging them significantly. Environmental changes, such as sudden temperature shifts, storms, cold waves, or fog, can disrupt agriculture and affect food production. Additionally, animals like mice and rats can destroy crops, and pests such as locusts or crop diseases can wipe out entire harvests. Natural calamities like earthquakes can also have a severe impact on food security. On the other hand, man-made causes play a significant role too. Wars and internal unrest can disrupt farming activities and supply chains. The absence of transport routes makes it difficult to distribute food to those in need. Uncontrolled population growth can strain available resources, worsening food shortages. It's important to recognize that drought, among all these causes, stands out as the most significant driver of famine. Understanding these causes helps us see the complex web of factors that can lead to food crises and underscores the importance of addressing both natural and human factors to prevent famine. Let's talk about some practical ways we can address water management to help prevent severe famines. First, planned usage of water and reuse of water are crucial. By carefully managing how we use water and recycling it where possible, we can conserve this vital resource and ensure it's available when needed most. Next, proper planning of water conservation and harvesting at the local level is essential. This means encouraging communities to adopt rainwater harvesting techniques and other conservation methods to make the most of available water sources and reduce wastage. Another key point is large-scale plantation of trees and preventing deforestation. Trees play a significant role in maintaining the water cycle, preventing soil erosion, and supporting local ecosystems, which are all vital in times of drought or food shortages. Finally, making appropriate changes in plant selection based on weather forecasts can make a big difference. By choosing crops suited to expected weather patterns, we can reduce crop failure and improve food security. So, integrating these strategies, water management, conservation, reforestation, and adaptive planting, can significantly lessen the severity of famines and help build resilient communities. Sometimes, the water that comes down from rain clouds doesn't actually reach the land as rain. Instead, because the temperature near the land can be extremely high, this water vaporizes, turns back into vapor, and rises back into the same clouds. This process causes the amount of vapor in those clouds to become very high. It's like a cycle where the water keeps evaporating and recondensing, which can lead to a sudden and intense release of energy, what we call a cloud burst. This is an important part of understanding how weather patterns and rainfall can behave unexpectedly, especially in regions prone to such sudden storms. Now, let's talk about some effective flood protective measures. One important strategy is the construction of small dams in mountainous regions. These dams help control the flow of excess water during heavy rains, reducing the risk of sudden floods downstream. Next, we have the construction of percolation tanks. These tanks allow rainwater to seep into the ground, replenishing underground water sources and decreasing surface runoff that can lead to flooding. Another key measure is making river beds flat. By leveling river beds, we can prevent water from overflowing during peak flow periods, which helps manage floodwaters more effectively. Additionally, cultivating new forests plays a vital role. Forests act as natural sponges, absorbing rainwater and reducing the speed and volume of water that reaches rivers. Lastly, connecting rivers through channels or embankments can help distribute floodwaters more evenly across a broader area, minimizing the impact on any single location. All these measures are interconnected and form a comprehensive approach to flood management, aiming to protect communities and preserve our environment. Lightning can be both fascinating and dangerous, especially during thunderstorms. So what precautions should we take when lightning strikes? First, it's crucial to seek shelter indoors as soon as you hear thunder or see lightning. Staying inside significantly reduces the risk of being struck. If you're caught outside and can't find shelter, avoid open fields, tall trees, and metal objects, which can attract lightning. Remember, lightning can strike even if the storm is not directly overhead, so safety is key at the first sign of a thunderstorm. Unplug electronic devices to prevent power surges and avoid using wired phones. These precautions are vital, not just for personal safety, but also to highlight how we can minimize risks during thunderstorms. Ultimately, being prepared and cautious helps us stay safe and aligns with our overall theme of safety awareness during weather emergencies.